Miracle of memory. When you want to express an idea, your mind, that is a complex intellectual machine, instantly sets in motion a sequence of events. It recalls the desired idea, extracts it from the tangled maze of facts and events in your memory, selects the appropriate words, orders them according to the rules of grammar, and then activates your tongue to speak or your fingers to write. In this way, numerous actions and interactions take place within the mind at an incredibly high speed. Almost all the senses contribute to this process. The fact is that your mind is filled with countless ideas, but if you have to express even one of them in English, you must first select the appropriate words from the jungle of the 250,000 words that make up the language. After this, you must put things in the correct order with unbelievable speed, and only then you're able to utter or write down a meaningful linguistic sequence. This process is unimaginably complex, with numerous unknown and known processes going in your mind at lightning speed. It is the interaction of these processes that result in meaningful speech or writing. How does this all take place? Recent research shows that there's an incredibly complex system in our mind which is dependent upon memory, a super miraculous phenomenon of nature. According to Neil Bernard, an adjunct associate professor of medicine at George Washington University, he says, a memory is made by linking 2 or more of the 100 billion nerve cells in your brain called neurons, and then solidifying the connection so you can use it later. And your brain continues to develop new connections to try to strengthen memory as you age. A phenomena called neuroplasticity. People talk of the great miracles of the past, like the staff of Moses, the ring of Solomon, and so on. But there is a miracle even greater than these which have been bestowed by God upon each and every single person. This is the miracle of the mind. If you recognize this as a personal miracle, you will develop such a thrilling sense of gratitude that all complaints and protests will seem ridiculous and, moreover, superfluous. You will then live with feelings of eternal thankfulness to God.